determined in accordance with section 16, and we look at 16 which the Gleaner has put out, expire on the conclusion of the next general election of councillors, but that chairperson shall continue in office until the successor in office has accepted office and made and subscribed to the required declaration. Section 16.1 now says a person elected chairperson of a local authority may be removed from office as a chairperson after the expiry of 12 months, so it gives you a minimum time within which this person can be removed. This is removal from office. And it is the expiry of 12 months from the date of that election. And it now tells you the how. The how is on a motion supported by a majority of all the members of the council of the local authority in such manner and form as may be prescribed. So from the clear wording of these sections, the issue of removal of the chairperson, who is the mayor, from office does not arise. It doesn't arise because they haven't even crossed the 12-month statutory minimum time at which a motion of no confidence can be brought. I'm not even talking about the vote, but the base minimum statutory requirement is not there for the removal of this particular mayor. And the issue of the popular vote, it's something that appears on the reading of the statute to arise only after what the statute calls the general election of councillors. So the local government election having been held in February of 2024, the popular vote was relevant then. That period having passed and passed months now, the popular vote no longer arises. So even though you have 11 councillors, because it's an even number municipal corporation, none of what happened last Friday can oust the sitting mayor. So I do not understand how and why we are being told by Mr. Mark Golding that the right and proper principled thing is for the existing mayor to step down and to allow the democracy to prevail and to have the PNP councillors choose a mayor. That is the position that we believe is correct. On what basis? How can a thing be principled if it is not legal? How? Within the context where you're talking about something governed by law, how can it be right and proper if it goes against the clear wording of the law? Unless I'm missing a provision somewhere, because there is a section 15 that I've seen in the Local Governance Act that speaks to the election of mayor, where a person who is elected mayor is disqualified from performing the functions of mayor under the 8th schedule of the Representation of the People Act or some other provision coming in, then it sets out a process by which the deputy mayor will exercise the functions of a mayor until a mayor is next elected pursuant to a by-election under a section in the Local Governance Act. But those circumstances don't seem to arise here at all. Determined